Alright everybody, so after we've done all of that crazy stuff, we have done our inside leg seam, our side seams and everything. We're gonna turn this pants inside out, yeah? So we want to see how this pants look on the right side. So we're turning him inside out, focusing the camera, there we go. Come on, Mr. Camera, focus, focus. There we go. So here's our pants, guys. Here we go, here's my pocket. Inserting my hand into my pocket. There's our back, there's our front. So our next step now is just to secure the hemline, which is the bottom of the pants. Here we go. We're going to take the bottom of the pants and then we're going to just trim off these raw edges, and then we're going to roll in 5mm. Focus, focus. There we go. We're going to roll it in 5mm. Let me zoom that in real quick for you guys. If I can zoom that far. Give me more zoom, brother. 5mm. Then we're going to iron them flat, 5mm all around. Once that's done, we're going to iron in 2 centimeters afterwards. So this is our roll hem that we're going to be doing, yeah? So again, 5mm all around. We're going to iron them flat or finger press them, and then we're going to iron flat again for 2 centimeters. Once that's done, we're going to grab some pins, and then we're going to pin the hemline on this side of the leg and on the other side of the leg, and then we are ready to start sewing this down. So let me just pin it real quick and then I'll show you guys in the next. Yeah. So I've gone ahead and pinned my 5mm and then fold it back into 2 centimeters. So there we go, there's my pins, and we're gonna, there's the other side, so I pinned both sides just to save time. And we're gonna rock over to the sewing machine, and then we're gonna do an edge stitch on that hemline. The best way to go about it is actually just to turn the pants again inside out, so that we can have the raw side facing us, so it's easy for us to keep our foot off the machine on that edge while we are sewing the hemline down. So we're gonna do that right now, and then we're gonna head over to the sewing machine. Alright everybody, so I've turned my pants inside out so you can see the overlocking facing me, and I'm going to start sewing the hemline now, yeah? And we're going to be rocking this right on the edge. You could probably rock it 5mm, which is good as well, so you can use the foot as a guide and just sew 5mm stitch all the way around the hemline. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So I'm placing it under the machine. And making sure that you're not sewing on anything underneath. So push everything away from the hemline when you are sewing the hemline. Just trying to straighten out the fabric. Get my machine, my foot in position. Lowering the needle into the fabric. Let me zoom in for you guys real quick. Don't fail me, camera. We're going to do a back tap stitch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we continue the stitch all the way with our 5mm stitch line here. Removing the pins as we are going. There are other ways of doing the hemline, guys, but this is the way we are going to be doing it, yeah? right to where we started. Go back tap on 3 and 3. There we go, everybody. Of course, we will just iron the whole pants afterwards, yeah? So now we will repeat the same step on the other side, on the other hemline, and then I'll show you guys afterwards what's up. There we go. 5mm stitch. Alrighty.